We got a winner. Yes, sir. D.I.Y. with the wrist.
When you working with D.I.Y. with the wrist, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. This is boy Greg with D.I.Y. with the wrist. Man, we are in the junkyard. And guess what we getting, man? Guess what we getting? A LS. Got my partner here, Titus, and his brother, Mr. Lynn. You remember Mr. Lynn off C10 long bed engine pool video? Yes, sir, man. We up here, man. We finna get this 5.3 out, man, for my partner Titus C10. We're gonna do an LS swap on it, man. So, yes, sir, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We finna get this out of here. And guess what? We got a winner, right? Yeah, but we gotta get to the motor mounts. You can't get to the motor mounts with the manifolds on. So,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, cause I can see them pretty good from the ground. Let me take these plugs out, man.
I know on this side.
You already took the plugs out on this one from plug?
Nah, keep all the plugs and everything.
Keep get it out, but without. Give me an extension. Tyler, give me an extension out of that box. It's a small extension, ain't it?
Hey, take the plugs. We're gonna take the plugs off the coil.
What you gonna keep these?
Nah, we don't need those because we gonna have all that's gonna come on the new harness. Yes, sir. We're gonna take everything off of this. Yeah, like we did it before then.
See, your truck already ready to put the motor in, cool.
Yep.
See that thing about my truck, I gotta take the motor out. That would've worked, yeah. Take the motor out and then put the motor in.
Let's see if I can see these. I might be able to get this side.
I kept looking at that, I said, no. Put me something else.
Shoot, man, I was gonna leave that plate on. Well, no, let's take it off. Let's take it off so we don't damage it. You know, we don't want to crush it.
You gonna leave it on?
I was gonna leave it on and just use six of them.
You know, Dirty Dingo sell mounts too. You know that, don't you?
Yeah, they sell mounts, everything. My buddy Lynn think he just a LS specialist over here.
Nah, I ain't no specialist. Just doing what
Hey, y'all go check that last video out with him, man. He had you rolling, man. He for some reason he just like to get inside the engine bays. I don't know.
Yeah, I can fit in there. I'm a small fella, but with big heart. You see the screw outside?
This is brother Titus, man.
I'm a small guy with no heart.
Oh no!
Stop being a hater, son.
Alright, man. So we're gonna get this off and we'll get back with y'all. Just wiggle it up, it should come out. Is all of them out?
Yeah, all of them out. That's what I'm saying. I believe these gotta come out, bro.
I took mine out. Like I said, unless it's a different design, but I took mine out with mine still in there.
You might have to leave that on and then take it out on top of it.
I'm telling you, man. No, it's coming out. It's coming out.
It's coming out.
Yeah. Put a little more in there, brother. Alright, gang. As y'all see, we sweating out here, man. Sweating out here trying to get this motor out, man. So we just wanted to take y'all on the voyage, man. On the junkyard voyage, man. Wish we could have found the 6.0, but I think we got a good find right here, man. Partner, Mr. Lynn, he getting ready to take the valley cover off. We're gonna put our engine lift kit I got from Dirty Dingo. Yeah, y'all go get one of those Dirty Dingo. Dirty Dingo, y'all need to sponsor me, man. But look at Mr. Titus, man. Mr. Titus, I think He excited. You see that Kool-Aid smile on the face. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So right now, man, we gotta take the motor mounts loose. Once we take the motor mount loose and put the little lift kit on there, we gonna get this motor out of here, man. This is the contraption we got, man. We trying to beat that weather. We getting this out of 05 Avalanche. 05 Avalanche. 05 Avalanche. Man, y'all ain't gonna believe what happened though, man. We was out here trying to get this. Out. So the fella come by, and he started looking at the motor, right? So we stopped what we doing. He like, hold on, fellas, let me see something. Let me see something, fellas. We looking at him like, what you want to see? And he like, that alternator. You guys not gonna use that alternator? We like, yeah. We taking the whole motor, buddy.
Yes, sir.
He like, oh, ain't no need me to look at that alternator. Yes, sir, man. You gotta love it, man. You never know what you man.
You're running through on the
You
yard.
never know what you're running to, man. He's a cool guy, man. But we gonna finish getting this out, man, and we gonna get back with you. All right, hold up. All right, let's bring it forward a little bit more. All right, that should be good. All right, put that coming on.
You need to come straight up or straight out?
All the way.
Alright, let me get up on the bottom and
Alright, put some tension on it. Alright, gang. So now we're gonna pull these motor mounts out, man, and show you what we got. We got our Dirty Dingo mount on here for the pull-less. The LS motor is made for LS motor and small block Chevy motors. Y'all go check them out. But we're gonna get ready to pull these motor mounts out, and we finna have out of here. Alright, we get back with you. Yes, sir. Look at him, he's serious. He looking serious. I mean, you got one of them out already?
I got all of them out here.
Okay.
We're almost done, y'all. Did it come out already? It's still in there.
I can't see it.
I lift up on the motor. Oh, we got. Alright.
Got it out? Alright,
I got it out.
come on there.
Let's get some money.
Come on there. Alright, so when we pull this motor out, we're gonna have to, once we get it up, we're gonna have to spin it.
You gotta disconnect that, don't it? Right here.
We disconnected. I think we hitting it on that shaft.
Yeah, we just hitting the shaft. Go back down. Did you take that shaft loose?
You can, right there. What's that?
We can push it. Hold on. Let it down some more, Rick. Alright. Greg, wait, Greg. Pull it up now. Pull it up. Oh. All right. Come on up. All right, you got it. Come on up. All right, come on out there.
Of course, the portal was in this.
Hey, we gotta take this a loose too. That ain't gonna help either. This is air condition hole. That thing air free and still in it.
Yeah, watch that.
Watch yourself too. Still have free in it, man. They said that stuff harmful to the atmosphere. Or just the government?
It is. Well, the 134.
Let me see.
The 130.
Yeah.
It ain't nothing in it. It's just air. Yeah, they had already.
And they having a tent revival, man.
On the surf road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen that.
My car. Daryl, my car.
Yeah, I've been to a few of them that didn't handle that.
Well, they play music a long time over there, though.
Mm-hmm.
Got a band, boy.
Yeah, they do.
Let's see. Rotate. Now let it down to concrete. Alright, Greg, see if you can let it up. Come on up. Come on up.
It's getting right down the water pump.
Right on the water pump. Alright, let it back down a little bit, just a half.
Get it to an angle.
Let it down some more.
Yes, sir, Bob. Alright.
We got it, y'all. It was a job, but we got it. I got no tools on the ground, right?
Trying to get this. Oh.
Get on the other side. Hold on.
Ready when you ready. One.
Ready?
Alright, gang. And we got it out. Going in a new heart. But this heart going in a new body.
The transplant.
Do a transplant on it. Put it in what's that? What you got? 84? 84
Yeah.
C10?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in 84 C10. So man, we're gonna do everything, buddy. So we're gonna go ahead and get this loaded up, man. We're gonna get back with y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all see what that is? That's the intake. Yes, sir. We got us LS. About to get hit, but it's all good. It's all good. So we finna do engine swap. All right, gang. There she go. We got another LS. We gonna fix her up, man. Clean her up. For my partner, Mr. Titus there, man. Coming up out the junkyard, man. Hey, man. My man there. There you go, man. You see my mess out there. They gotta fix that up, man. But yes, sir, man. We had to pull apart. that's gonna be the end of the video, man. I'm dirty. Get home, get cleaned up, man. Forehead dirty. But man, I appreciate y'all checking out your boy, man, Mr. Richardson with D.I.Y with the Richardson, man. Hey, y'all like, subscribe, share, man. Hit that thumbs up button, man. Hit that notification bell for all our video, man. Y'all stay tuned to this one, man. Stay tuned to this one. This one here is coming real soon. It's gonna be a straight drop-in transmission, computer, new wine harness, everything, man. It's gonna be a straight drop-in. So y'all be looking out for it, man. D.I.Y with the Richardson. I'm out.